front of this. 1, 2. Okay, so if you look down
Between the middle in front of the right,
that yellow thing, this is 25. 50 is the second. Okay, so the first one that you see right there, that is the one that we're going to go with. Second. Yeah. The second one is his, which is the fourth target from the end. You're going to shoot at the third target from the end. But then when you jump up to 100, you see those three, there's order, which is on the first block, the second block, that's number 2, so that one's mine. The third one, that one's yours. That's 100.
Okay.
So we're going to start at this 50 first, then that second one up there at 100.
Okay. This is 25 right here.
Yeah, the one down here. Does it mess with your person? Go ahead and put your headset on.
You're shooting way high.
So your muzzle has to be inside of that tube at all times while you will shoot. We want you to put the target, when you're setting those targets up, we want you to set those targets in the middle, down in the middle, not up high, not down low. Yeah, 2, that's up. Top. Yeah.
Right. Wrong package. Woo! Yeah, baby. Woo! Right in there. We're good.
Right below that 10. Okay. That's at 50. So, now go to 100. Okay. If you look in it, the 10, the 1, and the 0, right in between both of them. That's where it is.
I can live with that.
One right in the middle of that 10.